Hey everybody, Luke here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. Here we have one of my favorite bikes that's ever been created, the Road King Special. This is a 2024 model in Billiard Gray. The Road King Special is amazing with its stretched bags, blacked out motor, 114 cubic inch motor, mini ape handlebars stock from the factory, and just a comfortable riding position. The Road King Special is great for those longer trips across state lines, but it's still just sporty enough that you're gonna really have a blast. The 2024 Road King Special does come with cruise control, full LEDs, customized wheels, as well as a cut engine guard that gives it a more sleek, torn down look, but protection that you need. For more information on this bike and many other bikes at Wilkins, give us a call at 802-476-6104.